Dealing with a sore throat or dry cough? Before you reach for over-the-counter meds, try this simple Ayurvedic home remedy. All you need is raw honey and black pepper. Take 1 teaspoon of raw organic honey. It's soothing, antibacterial, and great for your throat. Now add a pinch of black pepper powder. Yep, black pepper. It helps break down mucus and boosts your immunity. Mix it well and take this twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. It's all natural, no chemicals, and safe for adults and kids over 5. Just make sure not to give honey to babies under 1-year-old. This combo has been used for centuries in traditional Indian medicine, and it actually works. For more natural remedies and wellness tips, hit follow on Healthy Jugnu, because your health deserves a natural touch.